2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, seat massage, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.